We're rolling. We're rolling. Okay. So we're gonna try the new McDonald's Lava Puff. Wala pa man din, we miss you na apple pie.
Choco lava puff.
And the taro custard pie. Unahin natin yung custard. Charot. Kaya hate na hate ko yan eh. Hindi ko type yung taro. Kasi if it's just the taro and the crust, parang kumain ng taro puff. So it's good in the sense na legit yung lasa ng taro.
May custard.
Pero dahil I'm a fan of custard, sige, okay, pwede na. Pero I still like apple pie. Okay, let's do the Choco Lava Puff. Yung camera ko. Paatras? Ah! Hindi nga. Kulit naman. Ano ba to? Okay, going back. Choco Lava.
Kuya, dun si Lawrence. Ayun kayo mo tayo.
Okay. Off the bat, sobrang oily niya. It's super flaky, super chocolatey, also super oily. May umay factor. Mas masarap pa rin yung Chocomalo pie ng Jollibee. Still the best. Sana ibalik nila. So, I don't understand why McDonald's took out apple pie tapos ito yung ipapalit. I don't think apple pie would have stayed for 40, 50 years. Kabasa kung kailan sila naglabas ng apple pie. Tapos aalisin nyo ngayon para ipalit tong dalawa. Didn't make sense at all. But it is what it is. Sila yung nandun sa negosyong yan. Alam nila yung ginagawa nila.
Yung off ko yung kotse.
Sana tama kayo. McDonald's. Sa ginawa niyong pagtanggal ng apple pie. Okay? So, when it comes to desserts, itong mga pie desserts, hindi na lang ako magmamakdo. I will drive through and have my dessert at Jollibee after eating Big Mac and double cheese and quarter pounder of McDo. Okay? That's it for today.